So night ride, might be its own video. Day 2 night ride. Following our local contact on this 2022 S1000RR. Me on the 1250 GSA. Should be a fair fight. There's going to be a couple of people with us in cars that are going as well. I have no idea where we're going. Whoa! Oh. Oh my God. A couple of us in cars. He's gone. So a couple of us in vehicles, but I don't know where we're going. We're going to a local spot. Let's see here. Settings. Boom. 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 But that was fun. I actually had it in dynamic mode and I was like, why can't I do any elephant slides? Oh, I need to be in Enduro Pro mode. So I had to then go into the modes and enable Enduro Pro, which was rightfully disabled. Because, I mean, there's no reason to need that in the city. Alright, now on to the next stop. That was fun! I saw my first camel crossing sign. That was fun. No clue where we're going, but look, there's a carnival over here. So many customizations. Oh, it's like a bike night. Hey! It's like a Dubai bike night. So this is basically a social bike night. So we have the X6M, a couple of GSAs, bunch of people in like stunt kind of things. You got a Busa. You gotta have a Busa at one of these, right? Only issue is that I don't have my rental agreement on me, and is that the cops sometimes start hassling people around midnight for paperwork, and so I might get the bike impounded, but I'm not worried about it. I look more like a narc than a criminal. Favorite part about going to other countries, we have tomato ketchup, French cheese, chili, okay, salt and vinegar. Yeah, French cheese, like I'm very curious about French cheese. Yeah, we just got the 1300 a couple of months ago.
Yeah, so they had the 1300, I mean the GSA
Yep.
launch just last week.
Oh,
just before
okay.
you came. Yeah.
This may be one of the first couple that are here, right?
So I signed up for the event and I didn't get. It was actually just down the road. That
Yeah?
resort that I told you about,
Yeah.
it was right there.
Wow.
Which bike do you have?
Sorry?
Which bike?
So I actually bought a 2024 1250 GSA because I wanted to wait to see a couple of years how this would do. Well, I'll stop asking so many questions, but thank you. Thanks for. That's what you need on your 1000. Yeah. Oh, that can't be illegal though. It's intense. Alright, well, heading back to the city. It's a bike night meetup. It was cool. Got some nice footage for you all to check out if you're interested. Rolling back through into the city center. Massive, massive place. Just so much here. I think I was talking to skipping Grand Mosque tomorrow and going to the Burj Khalifa sparkling. I didn't know what time it sparkled, and it looks like midnight is when it sparkles. My friend Matt was saying like, hey, it sparkles. I don't really know when. And there it goes. Pretty cool. You're racing? I will race you. With pleasure, mi amigo. I told them I can't speak Spanish. It was a real conversation. They were like, what languages can you speak? I'm like, English. We're still in fourth gear. That's why I had so much torque.